Hello fellow technophiles, I'm Mahananda and today we're diving right into the world of the Google Pixel 7a. Get ready for some serious pros and cons coming your way right away. Let's kick things off with 3 reasons why this phone deserves your attention right now. We've got the Tensor G2 processor designed by Google. It's the same powerful chip found in its much fancier siblings, the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. This bad boy makes your smartphone experience super fast and snappy, just like you might be after a can of Red Bull or 2. The second reason to fall in love with the Pixel 7a is its stunning OLED screen. A display super crisp and clear, upgraded now to a smooth 90Hz refresh rate. Plus, let's not forget the super clean Android 13 OS system. No bloatware here, my friend. The hardware and software feel like a match made in Android tech heaven. The third charmer is the camera. You get well-saturated pictures that look rich and vivid, the skin tones are super accurate as usual, and the cherry on top, all those flagship AI features such as photo unblur, magic eraser, and night sight work like a dream. But hold your horses, folks. I'm about to share the not-so-bright side of the Pixel 7a, which holds it back from being an outright awesome device. The Google Pixel 7a that I reviewed had heating issues. Not even 10 seconds into shooting a video on this phone, I could already feel the rear get quite warm. Same goes for the gaming sessions as well. The Pixel 7a comes with a fixed 128GB storage, and if you're a photo junkie or a gaming addict, that's gonna fill up quicker than you know. While the Pixel 7a promises 3 years of updates, other phones in the same price range offer a generous 5 years. So the Pixel 7a, just like the flagships of Google, is getting left behind a bit at the tech upgrade party. Now, I've got a ton of other details in the article linked right below that will help you decide if this is truly the phone for you. But before you go chasing after that Pixel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the Technophile family right below.